अभी आपको दिखा रहे हैं वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात और नशरियात अत्ता तारर इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Honorable diplomats, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. It is indeed a matter of great pride, not only for me and my government, for the entire Pakistani nation, that we are celebrating 75 years of an unbreakable bond, something that we hold very dear as a nation, as a people, something which is very close to our hearts, and the only thing that binds us is the unbreakable bond that we share. And many countries have relations which they call as brotherly relations, as friendly relations, as close relations, as cordial relations. But we have the distinct honor that our relationship as iron brothers is something that is very unique to Pakistan and China. On this joyous occasion, I would like to pay tribute to the leadership and the peoples of the both countries. We have just recently come from China, a renewed commitment towards Pak-China friendship, and great motivation to transform this vision into a reality. This visit of the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif to China has taken this friendship to new heights. And I always tell my Chinese friends that this friendship is something that has been passed on to us through the generations. This is something we inherit from our elders. The stories that we hear, the progress that we have made together is phenomenal. Pakistan and China not only share a boundary, we share mountains, we share rivers, we share a bond that is to be cherished for all times to come. And I would like to take this opportunity to express our commitment towards the global governance initiative under the visionary leadership of President Xi Jinping, which has, in a very short span of time, started showing immaculate results the world over, not only to increase the representation of the global South, but to improve the lives and livelihoods of the people of the global South. Mr. Hassan Iqbal is sitting here, who has been a great champion and advocate of CPEC. When you talk about CPEC, it has brought our people closer together over the past years. Who can forget the visit of President Xi Jinping to Islamabad, which was a landmark visit and which started a journey of progress and prosperity for the people of both countries. As Minister for Information and Broadcasting, I believe that cultural exchanges, people-to-people exchanges, and media cooperation can go a long way in further cementing this partnership and this relationship. These 75 years have shown one thing, that this friendship is all weather and time tested. There have been different tenures, different decades that we've gone through. But with every passing year, we have seen the strength of this friendship. We have seen that this friendship has only gained more momentum. And I always say that I myself am an example of the people-to-people exchanges that we had with the IDCPC. As a young officer with the Punjab government many decades ago, I was fortunate enough to be part of many delegations that went to China, and we had a lot of exchanges with our political party and the IDCPC. And as a result, I am here before you as a testament that these exchanges can prove to be fruitful, these exchanges can prove to be productive, and can lead to a better future for the people of our country. Excellency, in conclusion, I would like to express the commitment on behalf of my ministry, on behalf of my Prime Minister, on behalf of my government, that we firmly believe in this friendship. We firmly believe in taking CPEC forward. We firmly believe in promoting the global governance initiative, and you will always find us one step ahead of you in its implementation. पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
दिखा रहे हैं वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात व नशरियात अता तारर की जानिब से गुफ्तगू की जा रही थी. वो खिताब कर रहे थे और चीन से मुतालिक उनकी जानिब से यही कहा गया है कि पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद. पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान जितने मजबूत और गहरे ताल्लुकात हैं शायद ही किसी और मुल्क के दरमियान हो. इसके अलावा उन्होंने कहा कि पाक चीन बेमिसाल दोस्ती के 75 साल मुकम्मल होने पर फ़ख्र है. उसी के हवाले से ये तकरीब मुनक़्क़िद की गई है जिसमें उनकी जानिब से ये खिताब किया जा रहा था. पाकिस्तान की क़यादत चीन के साथ मजबूत ताल्लुकात पर यकीन रखती है. इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान का हर मुश्किल घड़ी में साथ दिया है चीन ने.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.